everyone. The annual day of our school is certainly a moment that we should all savor and enjoy. I take this opportunity to welcome you all. We are celebrating a very special and memorable occasion with a slight twist. For the first time ever, we are presenting to you a virtual celebration of our annual day. It's time to cheer, to shine, to inspire and to be inspired. May the excitement of today enthuse you. May this enchantment surround you. And may the fellowship we share create happy memories and magical moments. And may these magical moments be many and memorable. Now let's rejoice in the majestic journey this establishment has had up to now. Let's raise a toast to make it even better. Let us take a vow.
सरस्वती महाभागे विद्या कमलोचनी विद्यारूपे विशालाक्षी विद्या देहि नमोस्तुते. Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. As sunlight expels the darkness, similarly blessings bring on our life prosperity and happiness. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. Let us wish this light of education takes over the darkness of differences, injustice and violence in the world and guides us towards progress, equality and freedom. I would like to welcome Chairman Sir for lamp lighting. Dear Sir, please grace the occasion with your presence.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः. शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः. शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपकज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपकज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते. शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः. दीपक ज्योतिर्परं ब्रह्मा दीपक ज्योतिर्जनार्दना दीपक ज्योतिर्परं ब्रह्मा दीपक ज्योतिर्जनार्दना. दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीप नमोऽस्तुते. शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः. शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
With this lamp lighting, we thank the goddess of knowledge for enlightening us with more wisdom and knowledge. Behind every successful institution, there is a person who is managing everything tirelessly and ensuring that the students get the best facilities and care from the faculty and keep learning a few things here and there. For us, that role is played by our Chairman Sir. I would now like to invite him to enlighten the audience with his precious words as we begin with the event.
Good evening, everybody. We are extremely happy and able to have another annual day for our school. This would be one of the rarest annual occasions ever had. Not for us, I think for many other people. You had a 0 year last year, and we sincerely want that this year, in the new session, we should have the students coming to the school and the regular school must go on. So just to revive this atmosphere, we are trying to have this annual function so that we get involved, the students also get involved in a happy mode. And there is no other forum better than the annual day to revive all our activities, all the entertainment, all the education that the children have been learning so far. So the children have done their best, they have prepared well, and they are also keen and very excited to come back to school in the next session. So I welcome all of you to this very new type of annual function, and hopefully we pray to the Almighty that next year we would not have to have such a type of function. So once again, we are proud to have these small children present to us their activities and make us feel happy, and with the promise that definitely we are coming back again to school, the children, staff and all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your thought-provoking address set a perfect platform for our school. A leader is one who lights the path to the impossible and takes those who follow to great heights. Now, I would like to invite upon our wings of flight, our constant source of motivation, our principal ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here today on the occasion of the first ever online annual function of Sahaj International School, Ummeed, a Hope for Life. Of course, this year has been very special. It has been a complete transition in many ways. Indeed, this virtual annual function is something we were very excited and thrilled to do during this period. And for this, I wish to congratulate and thank all our parents for their valuable support. As when situations were going adverse, when the economy got shattered, when life came to a standstill, they still kept the education of their ward at their priority and supported the school. My heartfelt thanks to the school management, who has always been a guiding force, a backbone, be it good or bad times. I compliment the entire dedicated faculty of Sahaj International, who pulled up their socks, tightened their belts, and immediately switched over to the new teaching methodology. What a transition it had been from classroom teaching to e-learning. I also wish to congratulate the spirit of all our students who portrayed extreme resilience during this pandemic. They remained focused and enjoyed their online classes to the maximum. I pray to the Almighty that things are better soon and we start living a normal, carefree life ahead. As is said, life has to move forward. Everything has its time and everything ends. So now, let us all delve ourselves deep into the celebration and enjoy the virtual annual function, Ummeed, a Hope for Life. Thank you. God bless you all.
Mark Twain said, and I quote, 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did. So throw off the burdens, sail away from the sail, as the trade winds in your sails. Explore, dream, and discover. Now let's get ready for all the excitement and delight. Let's witness the epic performances by our sweet little Sahajians.
Everyone, I am Ashman Bhattacharjee. I study in class 2 in Sahaj International School. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, and I quote, birds find shelters during rain. Only eagles avoid rain by flying above the clouds. Problems are common, but the attitude makes the difference. With this thought in our mind, let's begin the program. Thank you.
He who has the king of snakes as his guardian and who has 3 eyes. He whose body is made with sacred ashes and who is the great Lord. He who is eternal, who is ever pure with the 4 directions as his clothes. Salutation to that Shiva who is represented by the syllable Namah Shivaya.
मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई। हे शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है, आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है, अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है। शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई।
रास रचिनो साज सजिनो शुभ घड़ी जयावी, आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ जयलावी।
Hello everyone. When the world celebrated the dawn of a new decade with a blaze of fireworks, parties, revelries on January 1st, few could imagine what the year had in store. We were evolving, we were building roads, flyovers, malls, making cities smart. We are landing on the moon, aggressively pursuing both nuclear and missile programs. And then it all stopped. The earth stood still. Schools, colleges, restaurants, markets closed. The earth stood still.
Some call me nature, others call me Mother. I have been here for over 4.5 billion years, 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I flatter, you flatter or worse. But I have been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my zoo, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other, your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you? Nature doesn't need people. People need nature. Thank you.
It has been a year ever since the world changed, but we fought back. We came out to be stronger. What really helped us was hope. What do you do when a tower of Lego falls down? A tower of Jenga falls down. We rebuild it. We rebuild it again and again. Remember, alone we aren't much, but together we can change the world. Tough times never last, but tough people do.
तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है? तू चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र तू। जो तुझसे लिपटी बेड़ियां, समझना इनको वस्त्र तू। ये बेड़ियां पिघाल के बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू, बना ले इनको शस्त्र तू। तो खुद की खोज में निकल, तो किस लिए हताश है? तो चल, तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है, समय को भी तलाश है।
Hope is a powerful force and probably the most important factor when it comes to overcoming life's biggest challenges. Without it, everything is lost. They say in certain tragic situations, only madmen can keep their hope alive. But it's that little spark that eventually pulls them from the depth of despair. Hope has the power to make you do impossible.
सूरज जैसे चमकेंगे देखे है साडी अखियां ने ए सपने अंबरां दे ए सपने अंबरां दे बूंद बूंद जोड़ेंगे पल पल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे फिर ना समंदरा दे फिर ना समंदरा दे Imagination wide and let your mind soar.
let the wear and tear of the day or the years clip your wings or bog you down. And let's dream big. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of a branch breaking, because her trust is not on the branch but its own wings. Always believe in yourself. Thank you.
रोको मत टोको मत रोको मत टोको मत रोको मत टोको मत रोको मत टोको मत सोचने दो इन्हें सोचने दो इन्हें सोचने दो रोको मत टोको मत सोचने दो इन्हें सोचने दो इन्हें सोचने दो हाय टोको मत इन्हें सोचने दो मुश्किलों के हल खोजने दो रोको मत टोको मत रोको मत टोको मत
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय, जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय। आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय।
लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव यू जिंदगी, लव मी जिंदगी।
Hello everyone. The best way to not feel hopeless is to get up and do something. Do not wait for good things to happen to you. If you go out, make some good things happen. You will fill the world with hope. You will fill yourself with hope. Do not sit still. Start moving now. In the beginning, you may not go in the direction you want, but as long as you are moving, you are creating alternatives and possibilities. Thank you.
यूं ही चला चला ही यूं ही चला चला ही कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया। फूल सारे झमेले देख फूलों के मेले, बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया। रुम दुम दाना रट दुम दाना रुम दुम दाना रट दुम दाना रुम दुम दाना रट दुम दाना भैया। ये रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे। ये रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे। दिल को है क्यों ये बेताबी, किससे मुलाकात होनी है, जिसका कब से अरमा था शायद वही बात होनी है। यूं ही चला चल रही यूं ही चला चल रही, जीवन गाड़ी है समय पहिया। आंसू की नदियां भी हैं, खुशियों की बगियां भी हैं, रास्ता सब तेरा तक है भैया। यूं ही चला चल रहा है, यूं ही चला चल रहा है, कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया। फूल सारे झमेले, देख फूलों के मेले, बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया। देखो जिधर भी इन राहों में रंग पिघलते हैं निगाहों में। ठंडी हवा है, ठंडी छाँव है, दूर वो जाने किसका गाँव है। बादल ये कैसा छाया, दिल ये कहाँ ले आया, सपना ये क्या दिखलाया है मुझको।
हर सपना सच लगे, जो प्रेम मगन जले, जो राह तू चले अपने मन की। हर पल किसी से मोती ही तू चुने, जो तू सदा सुने अपने मन की।
यूं ही चला चल रहा है, यूं ही चला चल रहा है, कितनी हसीन है ये दुनिया। फूल सारे झमेले, देख फूलों के मेले, बड़ी रंगीन है ये दुनिया। रास्ता है कह रहा अब मुझसे, मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे। दुम दुम दाना दुम दाना दुम दुम दाना दुम दाना दुम दुम दाना दुम दाना भैया।
Hello friends, let me tell you a very interesting story. Once upon a time, there lived a king in Scotland. His name was Robert Bruce. He fought many battles and nobody could defeat him in the battle. But one day, he was defeated by a cruel king. He ran away from the battlefield. He hid himself in the cave situated in a big forest. In the cave, he saw a tiny little spider. It was trying to reach the roof of the cave. It fell again and again. After every fall, the spider tried again and do not lose heart. Finally, crying for the 7th time, the spider reached its web. The king was moved by the spider. Watching the spider not give up filled him with new hope and courage. He came out of the cave and gathered his forces. This time he fought bravely. He was successful in making his country free. Now, taking a lesson from the story, the students of class 3 are here to rock the show because come what may, the show must go on.
Sometimes you have a bad day and things don't go your way. What do? You just keep on trying. Sometimes school gets tough and you wanna give up. What do? You just keep on trying. Keep on trying. Never give up. Hold your head up high. It's okay to get help. Keep on trying. Make it through. Keep on trying. There's so much you can do. Sometimes you're tired. Sometimes you're sad. Sometimes some friends might treat you bad. Just step away and chill out. You can be sure it won't be too long before you work it out. Keep on trying. Never give up. Hold your head up high. It's okay to get help. Keep on trying. Make it through.
एक उम्मीद एक भरोसा ले आया हमें मंजिल तक. Let's watch these tiny thoughts lighting the light of hope.
कदमों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं. हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं. कदमों
से मिलते हैं, कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना। अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है जाना। कदमों से मिलते हैं, कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कदमों से मिलते हैं, कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। निकले हैं मैदान में हम जहाँ हथेली पर लेकर, अब देखो चल लेंगे हम जाके अपनी मंजिल पर। खतरों से हंस के खेलना इतनी तो हमें हिम्मत है, कलाई मौत की इतनी तो हमें ताकत है। हम सरहदों के वास्ते जो है एक दीवार है, हम दुश्मनों के वास्ते होशियार है तैयार है। अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना। कदमों से मिलते हैं, कंधे कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। जोश दिल में जलाते चलो, जीत के गीत गाते चलो। जोश दिल में जलाते चलो, जीत के गीत गाते चलो। जीत की जो तस्वीर बनाने हम निकले हैं अपने लहू से, हमको उसमें रंग भरना है। साथी मैंने अपने दिल में अब ये ठान लिया है, या तो अब करना है या तो अब मरना है। अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना। कदमों से चलते हैं, चलते कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। चलता है जो कारवां, ऊंची सी है ये वादियां, है ये ज़मीन ये आसमां, है ये हवा है ये समा। हर रास्ते में हर वादी में हर पर्वत में सदा में हम जीतेंगे हम जीतेंगे हम जीतेंगे हर बार से। कदमों से कदम
हर सपने को अपनी सांसों में रखो, हर मंजिल को अपनी बाहों में रखो। हर जीत आपकी है, बस हर लक्ष्य को अपनी निगाहों में रखो। What do I want is a better question than saying I don't want this or that. More empowering as it focuses our mind. 2020 में वक्त बदल ये जज्बात नहीं।
उम्मीद वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा, रोने की वजह कम है, हंसने के बहाने ज्यादा। जिद है मुस्कुराएंगे, खुश रहने का है वादा। उम्मीद वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा। तुम दिल से अगर पूछोगे, वो खुश रहना ही चाहे। जब सच्चे मन से मांगो, तो खुल जाती है राहें, तो खुल के खुशी लुटाओ। ये क्या है आधा आधा। उम्मीद वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा। उम्मीद वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा। वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा। रोने की वजह कम है, हंसने के बहाने ज्यादा। जिद है मुस्कुराएंगे, खुश रहने का है वादा। उम्मीद वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा। तुम दिल से अगर पूछोगे, वो खुश रहना ही चाहे। जब सच्चे सनशाइन वाली आशा, उम्मीद वाली धूप, सनशाइन वाली आशा।
जो गिरे तो रात सहारा, माँ पल में समझे का इशारा।
हिदाई राय माई पा अगर मिल जाए तो ये संगम तो ये सरगम सुनाई दे सबको।
तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम।
हिदाई राय माई पा अगर मिल जाए तो कहीं मिलके ये सब दिल से कि अब तो जो भी हो।
तारारम पम तारारम पम, 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 तारारम पम तारारम जो गिरे तो रात सहारा, माँ पल में समझे का इशारा।
हिदाई राय माई पा अगर मिल जाए तो ये संगम तो ये सरगम सुनाई दे सबको।
तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम, तारारम पम तारारम पम।
हिदाई राय माई पा अगर मिल जाए तो कहीं मिलके ये सब दिल से कि अब तो जो भी हो।
तारारम पम तारारम पम, 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 तारारम पम तारारम पम,
Wow, what a wonderful performance all these were. So, with a thank you note, I would like to thank everyone, our director sir, principal ma'am, parents and lovely students. Our school believe in enhancing the child academically along with the development of qualities like teamwork, adaptability, leadership skills, confidence, determination, respect and moral values. I want to convey my gratitude to Director Sir, who has graced this occasion with his presence. Thank you, Sir, for being an inspiration to us. And all this wouldn't have been possible without the contribution and guidance of our beloved Principal Ma'am. Thank you for being our guiding light and keeping our spirits high. I want to appreciate the talent and excellence with the words for our performance of today. I had goosebumps while watching them practice. The level of perfection that we witnessed is the juice of daily grinding and the hustle of the last few months. I extend my gratitude to the parents. It is because of your unconditional love
care and support that we have been able to achieve this success. Once again, I thank each one of you for your wholehearted support throughout the year, and let's all pray to God for the good beginning. Thank you.